Hi guys, we'll go ahead with the next part of lead generation, that is inbound marketing. Okay, we just had the introduction of what exactly is inbound marketing. Uh, Anyways, I'll still we'll go ahead and speak about it a little bit more. Okay, inbound marketing is a specific word coined by one marketing company. Okay, for to promote its own products that it has launched, so it has coined the word. Okay, it has categorized all the techniques. Okay, so where every company or organization or the department of marketing in every brand, what they do previously was they'll go to search for individual customers. Okay, there's nothing called people, a category of customers. There is no way of getting this kind of stuff. Okay, so they'll go search for individually, they'll get the contact of individual person, whether it is an email address, whether it is visiting card containing both the email and phone number, or contacting their reception and making an appointment. All the stuff, everything was face to face, individually, one on one basis. Okay, so that has been changed. Okay, how come we categorize the people that are available, the data is available that time. Okay, so what they did was they just made it something like that. Why always we should go for and you know tell the people that we had this one? Why can't we make it online? And we had the online resources that time, but people are not making use of it, and they're not much into understanding of online promotions. Okay, so then they have coined this word called inbound marketing, and what they did was complete miracle. Like um there were tools what these guys were using. There were tools similar to that, but the word of inbound marketing that categorize all those ways of lead generation, where the clients themselves comes to the buyer. Okay, seller. Okay, the buyers come to the seller. Okay, without much efforts, everything can be made online, and it can be automated. Okay, inbound marketing is the first step for marketing automation. Okay, so understanding inbound marketing is very important for marketing automation. Okay, that's why we have previously in the previous video we have just learned about the outbound marketing ways, which have been previously done, and now there are so many tools that have helped in outbound marketing that makes no difference between inbound and outbound marketing nowadays. Okay, those kind of tools now arrived using latest technology of whether it can be AI, machine learning, or anything. Okay, so this is how outbound marketing and inbound marketing plays a different role. Okay, but inbound marketing is something that you need to make the process ready and leave it. Okay, that'll do anything for yourself. It will do everything for itself, and you just have to follow up with that one. Okay, so the difficult part is automating it. Okay, automating in the sense you can do the same with opt-in forms that I have explained earlier. Okay, you can connect this one on your website, mostly using sumo.com. Okay, sumo.com I have explained earlier. Okay, there's a plugin, you can use it on WordPress, or if you have other ways of implementation, whether other ways of designing your website, you can use it on that one as well. Okay, it will automate everything, and you can connect this to MailChimp. Okay, where people come to you. That means the website was promoted online, or he might have searched on Google. Okay, even SEO plays a important part in inbound marketing. It is a part of inbound marketing, search engine optimization. Okay, so that is one of the good thing what marketers have found. Okay, and Google allowed us to do that one a lot. Okay, so there are various techniques of SEO you learned already. Okay, so after the opt-in forms, we have already explained about the opt-in forms, how it works. Okay, so now the very important part of inbound marketing. Okay, so people usually spend both the time and money to achieve what they wanted. Okay, so these are the two assets or resources every company has. Okay, Big companies, what they do is they have very less time in achieving more, so they spend a lot of money instead of time. Okay, time is precious for them. I mean, time is precious for everyone. Still, they have their pockets are full, so that they can spend money to save time, okay, and achieve results faster. Okay, what small companies with less funded companies or startups like us, what they need to do is we need to spend much time on learning these kind of techniques what I have taught you. Okay, but after some time, when you are able to spend some money also, for achieving good results faster, okay, you can go ahead with advertising and campaigning. Okay, online advertising. Okay, so apart from online advertising, there are all the things that are learned here are free of cost. Okay, that too, as a digital marketing guy, whether you are going to join a startup who can spend a small amount of money also for your campaigning and advertising, you can make use of inbound marketing techniques or online advertising tools for promoting your company. Or if you join if you join an MNC, it's well and good. You have pretty much fund for carrying your advertising and campaigning. Okay, anything as a digital marketing guy, you are beneficial on both the sides. Okay, or apart from this too, if you have your own blog and you can spend a part of your salary or your income revenues on your own blog to promote it, you can do that one as well. Okay, also once you learn and doing good results, you can teach them how you did it. Okay, how the basics you can teach to a set of tools or your apprentice or your juniors, anyone. Okay, you can teach them. Okay, this is what I'm doing now. Okay, so advertising and campaigning, we basically what I do is I basically run campaigns on Google and social media. Okay, mostly people run on these two tools only. Okay, but based on your company that you are working for, or if you are an agency guy, if you are going to start an agency, you need to learn all the techniques of advertising, all the social media tools to advertise. Okay, everything is pretty much same. We have learned previously in some tools also. Okay, in previous section we have learned how to do advertising also. A small part, we'll just recap it or learn a little bit more. Okay, so whether you are a individual, you are working in a company, or you are going to start an agency, or you are just wanted to be a digital marketing guy who works in startup, anything, keep in mind that you need to have all the advertising tools in mind, but you need to be using only that will have good results. Okay, for the company you are working for. Okay, if you are into how to vary that one, means just like in social media how you are doing, so what kind of people okay you find on any social media. Okay, whether it is B2C, B2B, or the demographics. Okay, if you are a kids store, you are working in a kids company. Okay, Hamley, you are working in Hamley, and you are a digital marketing expert. It's a kids store. Okay, you can run on YouTube Kids also. Okay, when they see the ad, if it is attractive, people obviously click on that one and they'll ask for people, their parents to buy that part. Or even the parents can go ahead and see the toy, and if it is very helpful or if it is very entertaining, they'll buy for them. Okay, like that you need to categorize, okay, which kind of tools are apt for your brand or company. Okay, but before that one, to categorize, you need to have the idea of all the social media tools and how to run the ads, and you anyways will have the basic idea of how to categorize the company. Okay, whether it is a B2C or B2B company, and based on that you can decide on that one. Okay, you can check for the few statistics at that moment, how many followers are there, how many users are there of that particular any social media, or you can go ahead and use it on Google ads. Okay, so that is how it is. Before going to start individual advertising platforms, we'll talk about two words here. Okay, the nomenclature that usually digital marketing guys should understand is advertiser and publisher. Okay, if you already know, well and good. Okay, mostly you know this. Okay, I don't have to explain, but just for the record, we'll just start with basic also. Hmm? Advertiser is the guy who is paying the money to run their advertisement. Okay, if you are running an ad, you are a company guy. Okay, you wanted to sell a product. What you do is you run advertising on what? On social media or Google, okay, or Bing or anything it can be. Okay, so you are the guy who is paying money to run advertisements of your product. Okay, so you are the advertiser. Okay, there is another guy. If you go for my this website itself, okay, you can see some of the ads. I'll go for 90. Okay, so if you go here, you can see some of the ads on my website itself. Okay, you can see the ads here. This is the ad loading. Sorry for the internet delay. This is an ad. Okay, so badboys.org is the publisher who is publishing. The advertiser is Vimeo, his ads. Okay, he is the advertiser. Okay, this is the difference. What we are learning is how to be an good advertiser. Okay, that is what you are learning now. Okay, but apart from this one, you can be a publisher as well. How to be a publisher? You know how to use AdSense. Okay, so we have learned how to use AdSense. Even if you forgot or if you don't recall anything, we'll be implementing AdSense for our next website designing. Okay, where I'll teach you how to create ad units, how to paste code, or how to implement the code, how to run ads, how to see them live and all. Okay, see, you can see the ads here. Okay, you can use so many ads if you want. Okay, so this is the one. Okay, publisher. This guy is a publisher. My website is the publishing website. Okay, this is I'm allowing Google to publish the ads. Okay, this guy had made ads on Google. You can see here using AdSense, ads by Google. Okay, this is ad by Google. Okay, I have given some space to Google so that when they show ads to my followers, okay, Google will pay me. This is the basic understanding of how the publisher works. Okay, and this is how the advertiser works. We'll see how the advertiser should go. Okay, Google. In Google, Google AdWords is also called as Google Ads. We already learned about it. Okay, but we'll still try to go ahead and do. If you already remember everything, it's well and good. If you don't recall anything, we'll just see how it works. I already explained. If you are already an agency who wants to run ads for other companies, other brands, okay, you should be a manager. Okay, or you are a Google Ads account guy. Okay, normal. If you want to run your own ads, you need to have a Google Ads account. Okay, so I'll go for Bad Boys Manager. This is a manager account. Then what you need to do? Just hide this part. Okay, so under Bad Boys Manager, okay, we have accounts. Okay, individual accounts who we have run the ads for. Okay, so you'll have, if you have more accounts, you can see the number of accounts here. Okay, so I already have only one account now. We'll be going ahead with a few of the accounts, don't worry. Okay, so this is the one. You know how to create the account for yourself. Okay, you don't have to worry about it. It's very easy and well explained. Okay, okay, so now this is the overview. Forgot about it, and we'll go for account. Okay, if you are an individual guy, this is how the account looks. Okay, so here are the campaigns. Go for all the campaigns. You can see the overview. Okay, now you need to create a new campaign. see, when you start creating the new campaign, you can see your goal. Before creating any advertising or becoming an advertiser, you should know what exactly is your goal. Okay, you wanted to make a sale, generate leads, website traffic. Okay, these are here. Okay, make your app installed on more mobiles. Okay, this can be your thing. Okay, so now we'll go for sales. Okay, what type of ad you wanted to make? There are various kinds of ads. Okay, one can be search, display, shopping, video, smart, discovery. Okay, uh, a small preview of what exactly that type of ad is already given here. Okay, if you go for here, if you display on this one, get more sales with text or call ads that show near search results of google.com on Google search partner sites and more. Okay, Google search partner sites is something I have shown you earlier. We are the Google partner sites. Okay, we are allowing Google to show their ads on the spaces we have provided. Okay, so this is the partner site. I mean, my badboys.org is the partner site. Okay, so with the search ads, when people search for something, they'll just a search ad will be loaded. Digital marketing course. See, this is the ad here. Okay, so this is the search ad course. Okay, we have the extra what do we call to action buttons, like request a free demo, start free tell. We can add this once we start running the ad. Okay, so these are the extra inputs what we can give. Okay, call to action buttons. Okay, so this is a search ad, and here are the search results. Okay, so you can see all the things. It will allow 4 ads on the top. Now previously it was allowing only on the top, now it is also allowing at the bottom of the page. Here 2 ads, 3 ads, yeah, here 3 ads more. Okay, this is how it is allowing nowadays. Okay, it's allowing in the top, also in the middle. Okay, not in the middle, sorry, it's allowing the top and it's in the bottom. Okay, so these are the search ads. When you go for display ads, we have already seen that kind of display ads, right? We have seen like um, in my website we have seen the ads for Vimeo. Okay, get more sales by showing visually striking ads across the web, online, in-app, in-store. Okay, and optimize our campaign performance with automated bidding, targeting, and ad creation. Okay, display is visually striking ads. Okay, that we already seen. Okay, you need to give the image for that one and it will show the ads. And this is shopping ads. If you go for the same text, and this is specifically for e-commerce ads. Okay, there's something called shopping also here. Ebook fundamentals of digital marketing. Or basically it'll ask for shoes online. Then you'll see the ads on the right hand side. Okay, this is the sponsored, that means this is the ad, this is the shopping ad. Okay, so basically shopping ads are like this. More on Google, you can see here. Okay, these are also the ads. It'll show on shopping category. Okay, so these are the 2 ways you can find the shopping ads. Okay, and then video ads, it can be on this one, YouTube, or you can find here also the videos. Buy shoes online, Myntra. These are not the ads will not be shown here. You can just go ahead and see on YouTube itself. Okay, so So YouTube is the video online, video ads platform for YouTube. Smart can be directly created through Google Maps account. Okay. Discovery can be on visually rich personalized ads show across YouTube, Gmail, and Discover and more. Okay, when you open your Gmail, in the promotions button, you can see ads here. Okay, so that is how it is. There are various kinds of ads. Okay, we'll go for search ad basically. Okay, website visits, phone calls, shop visits, app downloads. You can go and click anything. Branding and influencers, we are here. Okay, just continue. Now it comes to ad group. Now the campaign. We have selected the type of campaign. We'll go for app downloads as the campaign name. Okay, you select the search display network, or you can just go ahead with the only search network. It's better to have search ads in both the things. Okay, display network means it will show the search ads on the websites as well. All countries selected is India. You can select the location, language, the type of audiences. Okay, you can give the category here. Okay, search category and give. You can give the budget. The main thing you wanted is conversions, because maximum conversion based strategy to help you get more conversion for your budget. We don't need to give this one initially, because you can give anything initially. Okay, but initially let the Google learn how the ads are working, and it will suggest you based on what are the changes you need to do. Maybe initially the cost will be little more higher, but you can select it in the budget. Okay, each day you can go ahead with 1000 rupees Indian currency. You can go ahead with the extension as download now. Okay, there are other call out extensions, what we call as call to actions. Okay, Christmas offer, pay 10%, students get 60%. These are the site link extensions we have created previously. Okay, now save and continue. So there are some blanks I haven't filled. It will show us. Okay, ad groups. Ad groups are like, there are various kinds of ad groups that you wanted to create for each ad. Okay, ad groups, you go with experimenting with different kinds of statements, content. Okay, or keywords. Okay, you can give it as ad group 1. In each ad group you need to create 3 to 4 ads. Okay, go ahead with 3 various headlines, or 3 various ways of promotion, like targeting of people. Or if you already wanted to go ahead with the campaign targeting, you can go ahead and select with headlines and description. Okay, or ad extension also. Okay, you can replicate the ads. Once you create the ad, you can just create the next ad, or you can just go ahead and duplicate the same ad and change the stuff. Okay, so this is the way. One is campaign settings. Okay, the second is the ad group, then comes with the ads, then you need to run the ads. Okay, these are the ways you can do it. Okay, now I'm just leaving this one. I just want to show it to you, each and everything. Okay, now we'll go with the campaign what we have run previously. Okay, digital marketing ebook promotions we have made. Okay, digital marketing email promotions India specifically. This is rest of India, this is India. So these are the two campaigns we have run. Or what you can do is, digital marketing campaign can be on the whole campaign. In that one you can go for the ad groups, like one is for India, one is for the rest of India. Okay, you can do that way also. In the digital marketing campaign we have 3 ad groups. Okay, I have given the title of 3 different ad groups for the same book. Okay, this is 64th lead generation category. Okay, so that you will be getting. Apart from this one, I'll also add this link of ebook. Okay, I mean, if you guys already have it in the previous one, it's well and good. I'll also have the lead generation ebook, which is already added previously. Okay, from course 1. Anyways, you'll get it, right? Course 1, because I just wanted to remind you this one. Okay, lead generation ebook, because that is also one of the growth hacking technique. Okay, that has resulted many things. Okay, so that has many tools. I mean, some of them are already explained. Look at the combination of tools that I use for generating any type of leads. Okay, so remember that one. So 3 ad groups are created. Okay, each have a cost per acquisition. Okay, so I forgot to tell you about this target types. Okay, target types comes with 3 things. I mean, maybe I have already explained it to earlier. Okay, CPC, cost per click. So that is based on the every time when you search for something, if you search for this one, upgrade, I have seen the ad of upgrade. Okay, if these guys are going with CPM, that is cost per impression. Impression means this ad has been impressed. Impressed means a visitor has already seen that one. Okay, that is one impression. For 1,000 impressions, but that means for 1,000 impressions of this particular ad, this guy will be upgrade will be charged for that one. Okay, if they opt for CPM. Okay, that is cost per impression. Okay, that is the basic thing everyone does to reduce the cost and all. Okay, and one more thing is cost per click. Even if these guys go for impression and we have click this one, those guys will be charged extra, because it was impressed and also clicked. So apart from this one, these guys have a click, so they'll be charged for the click. Okay, there will be extra charge for that one. Okay, but if these guys have gone for cost per click directly, okay, they won't be charged for impression. Okay, but the basic difference between CPM, impression and click, to CPC, direct click, is with the impression for the click, you will be charged very little less than the cost per click direct to, because your ads has been shown freely, but no one is clicking on that one. But that doesn't mean that Google won't charge you even if not even a single ad was clicked, but ultimately it will charge you for the impressions also. Okay, once the ad is there, it has been served, and it will have basic charges also, or it will stop running the ad at all completely, because it's not resulting in the CPC, so you need to make some modifications. Okay, it will suggest the modifications. Okay, this is cost per click. There is something called CPA that you have seen now, target CPA. This is the acquisition. Okay, Autocommerce is based on to help as many conversions as possible to a target cost per action. Yeah, acquisition, you said. Some conversions may cost more or less than your target. That's obvious. Okay, so when they click on this one, this is just the click. Action is you need to make the purchase. Okay, you need to apply, you need to fill the form and complete this one. That is complete action. Okay, completion of the action, cost per action, or previously it was cost for acquisition. Okay, so that is the conversion. Okay, so when we do the whole thing, there is when you fill all these details, there will be a thank you page coming up, right? The thank you page will have the conversion tracking that was installed by Google. For every conversion there will be conversion tracking. Okay, so in the settings, if you go here, conversion, here's the account level include conversion settings. In this measurement, this was already predefined that I have selected now. If you have checked it properly, okay, completion of sale I have selected. This is called every conversion. Position is data driven, can be the good one, but it's not allowed now. Nothing is here. Distribution. This is the comparison. So when we go for Google Analytics, just hold on until it loads this. See how these are linked? Can you see this one or not? Previously we didn't have any of this one. Destination. Oops. So initially buy merchandise or register online donate, acquisition, create an account. So this is the acquisition we are talking about. Inquiry, engagement, or you can go with the custom. Okay, continue. Goal description equal to payment confirmation page. This is what I was talking about. Okay, so value of this one. So value of the cost per action, I mean the purchase value, this last. Okay, based on that one they'll charge. Okay, funnel on. Okay, you need to give the step wise screen page, this one, checkout page, and then it'll come to destination, this one. Okay, so this is the process. This is the process of goal completion. Save this goal. So this is the one. Okay, once this is done, we already have the tracking codes and all, and this will consider as a acquisition here. Understood? I think it'll take some more time for you to understand these things. Okay, so conversions, it will be automatically loaded from there, or you can create a conversion here. Okay, online sales. Okay, category purchase, conversion name purchase, is the same value for each conversion, is different values for each conversion. Don't choose the value for this conversion action. Okay, every conversion can be loaded. Conversion in the 30 days. View through conversion window. Select the maximum time after a person views your target ad that you can't view through conversions. Okay, the conversion window is how long a view through conversion can be recorded after an impression. Okay, include conversions. Include this conversion to conversions column. If you use smart bidding, your bid strategies will optimize for their conversions. Okay, it's better to use it. Last click usually. It won't ask for data driven. Okay, select an attribution model. We are seeing this one. Okay, so create and continue. So now you need to install this tag on your website. Okay, install the tag yourself, email the tag to your developer, use Google Tag Manager. Okay, it's better if you install or oh no, when you start using WordPress, I mean I'll tell you the easiest way to install any kind of tag. Okay, so when you click this one, you see where to install this tag. Header, right? Even this one has a Google Ads code. Okay, so and then the event snippet box with the global site and track actions that should be counted as conversions. Choose whether to track conversions on page load or click. Usually page load will be better because when the thank you page loads, this will be good. So this will also should be copy the snippet of the page between head and base of the that you would like to track right of the global site tag. Okay, so you can just add these two in header part. Okay, and it'll start tracking. Okay, then you'll just create that conversion. Anyways, I'll just pause all these conversions. There is nothing called pause. Just remove option is available. Okay, anyways, okay, this is the reason. So this is how you can add conversions as well for your ads accounts. Okay, you can create any number of ads. You can go for keywords and all. keywords is very important. Once you start the ad, you can just modify it later also, not an issue. So if you select the campaign, based on that one you can change the keywords here. For this one we have used these keywords because previously selected keywords were there. Just you can go ahead and search for the keywords. Negative keywords is something that you don't want to load for this one. Okay, it's like books or paper, anything. So if you are going for any digital marketing app, you should not download any digital marketing app. Okay, so it should not, your app should not show for any digital marketing app. Okay, obviously for branding only your app should be shown, or digital marketing course app. Okay, this should not show for any digital marketing course related ads. Okay, or digital marketing guide related ads. Okay, so for the whole digital marketing apps only your ad should be loaded. So you just give negative keyword as marketing. Okay, because the digital marketing app has marketing, so it should not load for only for marketing. Okay, this will count as an impression. If that guy wants to click unnecessarily, it will go for chargeable. So what exactly negative keywords helps you with is, it will refine as much as possible. Okay, if you have many number of visitors, possible target audience, you go for negative keywords as well. Okay, so the audiences. Okay, audiences, you can exclude some of the people, like based on the age and all, or the category maybe. Okay, audience exclusions, you can add who wants to be excluded from this one. Okay, based on these categories. Okay, so demographics, age and all, placements, where ads showed exclusion and where not. Okay, see where your ads have appeared, you can just see this one. Okay, where excluded also you can see the locations, ad schedule. You can run the ads between specific times as well. Okay, you can select this one for running campaign. Okay, if we're going to run any ad between midnight in around 12 to 5 a.m, your ads won't run at all. That's a waste of time, because everyone in India, I mean specifically for India, if your ads are shown in that time, okay, that won't result in good revenue or something. Okay, whatever the goals. Okay, because that was the sleeping time for Indian people. Okay, so if you run the campaign based on the demography in your mind and the location in your mind, or any all these features in your mind, you can have good stuff. I mean good results, because for that one, I mean basic things you need to do all these things, but after running your type of ad, based on the type of ad and based on the audiences, it has been the type of audiences has been reacted to that one. Google will show other, I mean suggest you what need to be done. Okay, it will also show you after, if you run the ad for 1 week, it will show you that between morning 10 to 1 p.m. and then 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. your ads have been running good, and then 7 to 9 was a good time. So you can skip all the other timings of ads, and you can concentrate on that particular time. Okay, you can also go ahead with the locations which are doing good. Okay, the device kinds that are doing good, or the age group that is helping you out. Okay, everything. Okay, you can optimize anything for any campaign. Okay, ads and ad extensions also important for you, and you can create the extensions. These are few automated extensions. Okay, you don't have any automatic stats. Okay, this is also need to suggest you. Okay, anyways, there are extensions we already created. If you want, you can create ad extension also here. So these are the types of ad extensions. Okay, based on the prices, absolute location extension, location, lead from extension, call extension, structure snippet extension. Okay, call out extension, site link extension. All these extensions can be seen. Okay, you No, here when you come for this one, billing is important thing. There are other data that you need to verify here, you need to add here. Okay. Google Merchant Center is good. We'll just have a basic look of this one, and we'll just skip this one. You can fix issues, no shopping and setup surfaces across globe, products. That's okay. Anyways, if you are into e-commerce, you can just have the look into this one also. Okay. Shopping ads still has a separate view of how it can be performing. Okay, you see all the programs that will have the merchants also. Okay, surfaces across Google, dynamic shopping remarketing, product ratings. Okay, so I have shown you from the Google Merchant Center in the previous one of the videos how exactly you need to have the product ratings to be used, okay, in running more ads. You can add this one onto your ads. Okay, so Google reviews. Okay, you can show these reviews.
Your business idea needs a website? So go to Wix.com. I know what you're thinking, another Wix.
You need to show Google reviews on your website so that whenever the Google ads have visited and have a good impression on your product. Okay, take a look. Okay, I'll add this video. So what we can do is I'll add this video. Maybe you can just have a look at all my videos. Okay, I mean they might be little boring because that time the recording of the videos was not so good. Okay, maybe a little bit boring because I don't add the voiceover. Okay, so but still it'll help you in understanding a bit. Okay, try to go ahead and do that one part. Okay, Google Merchant Center, there are so many other functions also helpful here. Okay, we just go ahead and do your part. Okay, keyword planner is one good thing. Okay, before running ads you can check which are the keywords that are helpful for you and which are at what cost available for you. Okay, collaboration, seasonal trends, get started. Discover new keywords, get search volume and focus. Now first go for with this one, digital marketing course. We have been using this one everywhere, right? Just search for this one. Okay, what keyword plan will do is it will check for all the keywords that have been done previously. Okay, for this particular keyword, maximum CPC, cost per click itself, is 46 rupees. Okay, these are the clicks, impressions, cost and all. Okay, for the date between 1 to 30th June, if you go for all time, this is the one. No, it's going for 1 month only. Okay, this will suggest you the negative keywords for you, or I mean if you have negative keywords also it's full and good. Historical metrics are top of page bid is 25 minimum. Top of page with high range is 163.45. This is a costly one, trust me. Oops. Get keyword ideas. Digital marketing course again. Or you can search with the domain also. Oops, sorry. See, you'll get some of the ideas suggested by Google Ads. Previously, these are the things so many advertisers have used. Okay, you got around 1173 results. Okay, so you can go ahead and check for which are the high competition, which are the medium competition, which are the low competition. If you go for low competition, there is no use. Okay, if you go for high competition, you can't afford much. Go for high competition, go for medium competition, but they're very costly. Okay, so select for medium competition and low cost. Okay, try to get those kind of things like this, like this, or like this, or this. See, okay, so these are the things you need to try. Okay, this will help you in that one. Okay, so we understand basic things of how Google Ads can be run. Okay, so this is how it is. Now we'll go ahead with the social media advertising, basically from Facebook, Twitter, LinkedIn. We'll start with LinkedIn. We'll go just we'll just have a basic look of how Facebook and Twitter can be done. Okay, because even if you go for social media advertising also, these are the same words you find there. Okay, this is pretty much same. Campaigning or advertising online is pretty much same. Single method has been applied on so many things, like if Google is a search engine, they have used this advertising technique for the people who come to Google search engine. Okay, even LinkedIn has its own platform. It will consider that itself. I mean, LinkedIn itself is a search engine for professional people. Okay, they have started a advertising technique. I mean, advertising tool and earning money. Okay, even that will help you in results, but pretty much everything is same. Okay, but Google is a vast thing. LinkedIn and Facebook and Twitter are limited things that show only for their users. I mean, almost pretty much same level of users will get there and here. Okay, so this is how it works. Okay, now we'll go ahead with LinkedIn ads. Okay, so LinkedIn. So if you already guys have logged into your LinkedIn, very good. Or go ahead and start your account, open your account. Okay, we'll finish this off soon because we are spending so much time here unnecessarily. You guys are already well aware of the basic advertising things we have been explaining earlier, and I have pretty much explained about Google advertising now, and you know how social media ads work. Okay, basically the uh, targeting, pricing, everything is pretty much same with everything. Okay, in any kind of what do we call advertising platforms. Okay, so we'll go ahead with advertising. Here it is. Sorry, I was searching for. I didn't explore what this word is, so just looking at this. What is leads? Maybe sales navigator it is. Could be. Could be the premium product called sales navigator. Sorry about yeah, there's one sales navigator professional, sales navigator team, I guess. So they changed the names. we'll do one thing, we'll run all the three things at a time. Okay, so for the Twitter ads, for the Facebook promote or ad center, you can go ahead and start from there. This is loading good, but there's a problem with that one. So here is the Twitter goals or objective selection comes first. Okay, now maximize your ads reach or video views, instant video views, app installs, website clicks, engagement, followers, or app re-engagement. Get people to take action in your app. Drive traffic to your website. You need help choosing the objective. Engagement. Build your audience for your account. Paid your ad with premium content. Video views. App install, website clicks. We will go for this one. Okay. Now campaign name is app downloads. We're going with the same name so that you won't get. You need to give the budget, daily budget, total budget maybe $100. I will go ahead with this one for $10 a day. Okay, you can just start or end specific times. The advanced ones, standard or accelerated. Standard gives standard payment. Okay, pace is like standard and accelerated. Even it is available in the Google also. We just skipped that one, or from the beginning, in the pricing part we have skipped this one because in the pricing part we will know, but luckily we have seen this part here. So standard part, just for understanding, anywhere in any ad category or any tool of ads, we just go ahead and click for standard only, because accelerator means that will finish off if you have suggested daily budget is $10. If it is for today, the target is $10. Your ad will be shown continuously today until your $10 is done. Okay, that is accelerated. If you have indefinite budget, you can go for accelerated ad, so that it will show every time. Okay, $10 is very small budget, so you can't go for accelerated. Even if you have a good budget, also go for standard, so that it will show in definite times where people can visit more. It will have its own uh, understanding of how visitors is coming. What time the visitors who viewed your ads are clicking on your ad, so it will concentrate to share it on that particular time. So click on next. Now the ad group again. So as we discussed earlier, ad groups. In India, specified time, start time, then just give them total ad group budget, automatically. It's okay, we can just go ahead and skip this one because it's an optional one. If you don't give anything, it will take it from campaign setting. Initial one is the campaign setting. Okay, so conversion metric, universal tag, it's already installed and tracking. Tailored audiences, mobile audience targeting, tailored audiences list, flexible audience targeting. Fun. Okay, so this is loaded. Okay, you can if you have an account, it's okay, well and good, or create an account. There's a campaign group. If you don't create anything, it can be a default campaign group. So these are the previous campaigns we have run. Okay, once it is done, you can go ahead and start with the create campaign. Okay, so you can select the objective of your campaign, like it's a brand awareness, website visits, engagement, video views, lead generation, website conversions. We're going for this one all the way all the time. Okay, if you have the saved audiences, you can go ahead and save. For the startup we have created already, you can go ahead and do this one. LinkedIn audience, members with bachelor degree, corporate HR. You can find something here. Okay, this is the location. If you want, you can exclude few people, or here are the few attributes that you need to be having, like company they're working in, education or a job experience, interests and traits based on the members, groups or interests. So job functions, so job titles. Go for business development, entrepreneurship, business development. Is there advertising I have left out? No. Marketing here. Okay, media and communication. I'll go, and sales. Okay. These are the job function I wanted to include. So this is the audience size I've got. Okay. If you want narrow audiences further, you can just go and reselect the demographics and all. Okay. Exclude audience also is available. So now you can go ahead and select for the single image ad or a carousel ad, video ad, text ad, spotlight ad, and message ad. Message ad is something. Okay. So here the person will get the ad directly. That will come with sponsored. Okay. You can see the sponsor right here, right? So these are the message ads. You'll get the details. They can access from here itself directly to the shop. Okay, they will definitely view your ad and you can just see whether they have taken the action or not. Okay, these are the message ads. Okay, so spotlight ad can be something like specifically for the person. Okay, if you are this guy, this is a spotlight ad. Okay, this is an ad, spotlight, and this is this kind of ad, text one. Okay, video ad is, you can see online whether it is all these three things are shown in feed. Okay, in feed ads. Okay, so if you can see promoted here, this is the in feed text ad or a sponsored ad or anything. Okay, if you see the video there, it's a video ad. Okay, or carousel means if you see 3 to 4 ads lined up, you can that is a carousel ad. Okay, so that's how it is. These are the ads. Okay, so this is promoted by LinkedIn Marketing Solutions itself. Okay, I don't see any carousel ads as of now, but you can see 3 to 4 ads. I mean, text will be coming, and you can see the carousel ads. Okay, we'll go for check if we have any ads in here. Otherwise, in the LinkedIn Marketing Solutions, okay, just see any carousel ads they have. Yeah, this is the carousel ad. Okay, there are 2 to 3 ads you can see. Right, this is the carousel ad. Okay, you can see this ads if it is okay. Or these are the types of ads you wanted to see. Okay, then placement, enable LinkedIn audience network, daily budget, schedule, automated bid, purchase mode. You need to initial the conversion if you want. Okay, this is for LinkedIn conversion, so you need to install the conversion tag on your website again. Okay, so click next. Now you need to get the content if it is available on your those things. Okay, from your pages and all, you can select any content. Okay, for that it is a desktop, it is mobile based ad. Okay, it will load, no problem. Okay, this is how the ad will be, and then they click on this one, it will be promoted and same. Okay, so this is the ad, or you can create a new ad here. Okay, with all the details. Okay, with the image, text, name of this ad, destination URL, headline, call to action button, create and share it. Okay, you can create and next, and you can just run the campaign. Okay, this is sponsored content, review and launch it. Okay, this is how ads are running on LinkedIn as well. Okay, I hope this is also almost similar, but this is very easy to use on LinkedIn ads. Okay, if you go for the Facebook also, it's similar. So you can go for ad center, visit ad center, or directly click promote here from your page. Okay, so boost a post, that means it will reach all the people, it will reach to many people. Add to your advertising plan, choose another business goal for your automated ads. Okay, this is the new one. So based on the achievement, I mean business plan, also advertising plan, you can just go ahead and select. Okay, promote your address. I want people to call my business. I want potential customer to message me. Reach potential customers. Okay, get more leads. So can be make online sales, get more shoppers to visit your website. I want to promote my website, get more website visitors. Okay, if you don't want this one, you can just go ahead and promote your page, get more website, get more leads. Okay, this is the one. Or you can create the new form where directly people can fill their form with these details. Okay, and you will get the leads automatically. Okay, or get more website visitors. You can give the images, you can create the one. Okay, you can just go ahead and give shop now or any of the call to action buttons. Okay, or promote your business locally, boost an Instagram post, promote your page. You can get more likes for your page, like page will be promoted. Okay, boost a post, just promote the post, I mean let it reach more people and like it. Okay, you can post same thing on Instagram also. Okay, or basically you can go ahead and do with this one. Okay, get more website visitors. Next, you can set up your ad with single image or other images. Okay, mobile news feed, Instagram stories also it can be shown. You can opt for the same ad to be shown on Instagram stories, Instagram ads. Okay, so these are the stuff this will help you with. Okay, so this is pretty much almost same. Okay, and once you start exploring it, inbound marketing will help you in creating so many leads, and this is one of the best ways of making people visit you. Okay, so you just share about how the work should be done, and boom, you'll get so many leads. Okay, so this is the lead generation techniques that to be used. Okay, there's something else called, if you are very well and well equipped, and if you want to do too good also, there are some extra tools apart from this Google basic ads, using what do we call Google adverts or Google ads, or the social media tools. There is also called programmatic adding advertising. Okay, there's something called programmatic advertising. Okay, there's so many people that will help you in programmatic advertising. Okay, so this is the one that will help you with extra ways of having various kinds of media. Okay, rich formats of promoting your company or products. Okay, once you are done with the basic ads and all, this itself will go and take a lot of time to understand programmatic advertising. Okay, so there are so many other tools called Google Ad Exchange. Okay, they're happy with the Google double click. Okay, advanced expression targeting, set price source. So we just started this one, we just not at implementing. Okay, there will be delivery of inventory that you need to select. Okay, these are good. Apart from this, double click manager is there. These are the advanced tools. Double click ad exchange, double click for publishers is there, double click bid manager is there. So you are the double click advertiser, you should go for this one. Google's programmatic advertising platform. This is double click bid manager. Okay, So these are the stuff, I mean, if you go advanced, and you can learn this stuff also. Okay, so I hope this will help you a lot in generating leads for your brand or your own self. Okay, so end of the video.